You're right to call on me. I'll be sure to spot Nova's lost talent in no time.
It's imperative we locate it. I refuse to be the tour manager who managed to cancel a tour.
Oh, wow. Sure looks like it'll be quite the tour. Just imagine being up there in the limelight by yourself.
Help, I'm too awesome, turning up the heat. Help, I'm too awesome, can you feel this beat?
Curious, you sound like Robbie Comet.
Oh, yeah. Maybe someday, but Lady Limelight hasn't shone on me just yet.
No, just like Robbie Comet. I mean, good Robbie Comet, not bagpipes in a blender Robbie Comet.
Well, you can't be around all this talent without picking up a little bit yourself, you know. Plus, I'm a sucker for a good tune.
Sucker? Hang on, Robbie Comet was great until you put your suckers on it. And Nova was amazing until you did the same thing. The captain was right. You do feed off others' talents.
Brilliant problem solving, McLaren. You really have quite the talent. And now, I've got it.
What's happening to me? I don't know what's going on. Let's do. What's happening to me?
I've absorbed your talent for problem solving. You see, I'm sick of judging those snivelling pop stars from the sidelines. It should be me up there, bathed in adoration. I thought with Nova Jones's talent it could be, but with your talent of organization, I now see I'm gonna need the abilities of everyone who makes her shows run so smoothly.
No! Flix is front! She's doing our inspection. She literally wrote the book on ecology. It was printed on biodegradable paper and disintegrated within a week. She's amazing and she's inspecting our ship.
Good afternoon.
Mrs. Bronze, welcome aboard the Jefferson spaceship. I hope the Friends of the Universe inspection is going well.
Very well. And an amazing concert. Nova's a huge talent.
She's actually my sister. And this is the captain of our ship. Captain McLaren, manager.
That's not my arm. Shall we?
We're right this way.
This is my private office and bedroom. An efficient use of the space.
Is that a reusable door?
Well, it opens and closes, right, McLaren?
The Jefferson is 100% recycled. If you sit on a chair, it's had at least 100 other bottoms on it before yours.
I don't have a bottom. I'm a plant. Now, before I forget, minima saltum. Oxygenates the air and absorbs toxins. We're issuing cuttings to all vessels.
What a marvellous plant. I'll keep it in my room.
It responds to life and activity, to noise. Do you perhaps have a room that's a little less lonely?
Apparently Digit would like to take care of it. In the cockpit?
Am I getting smaller, or is that troll getting bigger?
I do not put my sister in danger because I can't fight my own internet battles.
Oh, it is getting bigger. That's Bobbins.
Stop it, I've got 9 more verses. Wait, that troll is getting bigger.
Spiggle's got nothing.
I'm not a lobster in a human costume. That's obvious, isn't it? McLaren! Give that back! Sure.
Oh, sorry. Thought you said throw it to the captain of the North.
No!
Ha ha ha, it's funny because that's exactly what you did to me before.
This is not the time. Give it back!
Now, I'm going to pass you Sid. Oh, no, I'm not.
You have to commit.
Got it. Come here, Sid.
Look, son.
No! Stop! Stop!
You big sillies.
Hey, it shrunk. The troll.
No, it's growing, Sid. That's the whole point. No, it is getting smaller. No, it's growing again.
Now that we're all looking at it, Now that we're all giving it attention.
It feeds on attention.
No, I don't! No, I don't!
It went after Nova because it wanted her attention, but that didn't work because Nova didn't care.
And you all said being massively self-centered was a bad thing.
So it went after me, and I did give it attention. I kept replying to it.
So... if we just ignore it...
It should shrink right down.
Okay, everyone, turn your backs. Ignore the troll.
Look at me! Look at me!
Which
Don't ignore
is
me!
actually quite hard when it's a massive
Look at me!
troll and it's right there.
Look,
Look at me!
I ignore stuff all the time. It's easy. Just think about your best memory.
No! No!
Like the time I won 199 whammies in one night.
Like the time I saved Nova from the jungle. Backfish's veins back!
I'm gonna write something mean!
The time I fell asleep in the sofa shop all night long. So many footrests.
Stop it!
The 8,000-page spreadsheet I made? The self-sorting desk tidier I designed? No.
Stop it!
Wait.
Stop it!
Nova's entire career, because I organised it all brilliantly. Thanks, sis. Can anyone hear anything? It worked!
Yes, I knew it was a wrap.
Ain't the big man anymore, are you?
Please don't squash me!
Tin?
What? I stepped on its computer. Now it won't type anything. I'll just put this outside.
Hey, Sage, that way.
I'm sorry, Nova. I'm afraid we're going to have to take him back to his home planet.
Poor Snoofer.
We better set a course for Blurgle,
Blurgle.
his home planet.
He's Gurgle the Burgle from Blurgle. Space can be very silly.
But, Captain, if we go there now, won't you miss your party?
Yes, Sid. I'm afraid so.
You're being very brave, Nova.
I know. I really am. I've had Gurgle for 2 days. That's basically a lifetime.
Really sorry you're gonna miss your party, Captain.
It is sad I won't see Admiral Londo and get another approving pat on the shoulder. This is the right thing to do. Okay, keep in mind the gravity on Blurgle is very heavy.
We know.
Very heavy.
I told you.
I'm not prepped for this. Ah, my back.
Go on then, my boy. Go be home. Go, Gurgle. You'll be happy here. You'll...
Goodbye, Nova. I shall never forget your kindness.
You can speak?
Duh. Yes, I can speak.
Why haven't you said anything until now?
It is quite hard to interrupt you, Nova Jones. Oh, McLaren,
Yes, Gurgle?
I'm sorry if I was grumpy with you. I just really disapprove of Mercury's shopping. Their website tricks people into clicking things they don't want. But now I must express my gratitude. Nova, you were like a mother to me. You bathed me, fed me, cared for me.
I literally did the same things.
Yeah, but she's Nova Jones. She'd never usually do that stuff. I won't forget you, Nova. Goodbye.
I'm just... so... sad.